Good morning, my dear students. Welcome back to your offline class. In previous class, we have started the chapter light, shadow and reflection. And there we have learned what are the different types of objects on the basis of light passing through it, transparent, translucent, opaque. Then also we have learned about luminous, non-luminous objects. And we have also learned one thing, that how shadow is formed and what exactly are shadows. So, today we will just proceed towards the next subtopic from your NCERT book Science 11.3 subtopic, page number 110, a pinhole camera. Now, first I will write this, a pinhole camera. What is a pinhole camera? A pinhole camera, it is a device which forms a photograph-like image of a bright object on a screen. So, a pinhole camera is a simple camera that consists of a light-proof box and a thin film for a screen and a small aperture or hole to allow the light pass through it. Okay? Now, I will try to draw this picture of a pinhole camera. Now, the light from the outside enters through the small hole and forms the image on the screen, and that is totally inverted. So, the image which is formed by a pinhole camera, the nature of the image is always inverted, means upside down. Okay? Now, I am trying to draw the picture of a pinhole camera. Now, if there is a candle here, this candle will form a small image than the actual image. Okay? Small image than the actual object, sorry. So, here the size of candle will be smaller than that of the object, and another thing, the nature of image that is always inverted. Okay, inverted, or you can write upside down. Okay, upside down. Now, this is a pinhole camera. So, by definition you can write what is a pinhole camera. I am writing this. A pinhole camera is a simple camera that consists of a light-proof box, then a thin film, for a screen, and a small aperture or hole, a small aperture or hole to pass the light. No? I hope you understood. So, these are the main things a pinhole camera consists of: a light-proof box, then a thin film for a screen, then a small aperture or hole through which the light can pass through it. Okay. So these are the main things under a pinhole camera. Now in our nature, pinhole camera can be seen. There is an interesting pinhole camera in our nature. What is it? Sometimes when we pass under a tree covered with large number of leaves, we notice some patches of sunlight under it. Now you can see figure 11.6, a natural pinhole camera, pinhole image of sun under a tree. Okay. Now the gaps between the leaves act as pinhole. So here the gaps between the leaves, that creates a pinhole camera, and there we can see the image of sun. And these gaps are all kind of irregular shapes. Okay, all kind of irregular shape, not like the shape of sun. Okay, but we can see the circular image of the sun. Try to locate image of the sun when an eclipse occurs next. Okay, so that is already in your book. I hope you understood this subtopic of pinhole camera. In next day, I will discuss about the next subtopic from your science book, that is 11.4, mirror and reflection, along with the propagation of light, means how light travels. Actually light travels in a straight line. By an experiment I will just show you how light passes through a straight line, and also rectilinear path of light, and there I will tell you how image is formed by a plane mirror. Then I will also tell you another phenomenon that is known as lateral inversion. Okay, I hope you understood. If you have any problem, you can ask me in the e-portal. Okay students, that's all. Thank you.